Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant T5 auto scrubber. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Now if you need to replace your debris tray inside your recovery tank, this is how you do it. Real simple. Take your knob, unscrew your knob here. Now to remove your debris tray, just drop it down and pull it forward. Now if you need to replace the debris tray and that's it, you're going to need to remove this nut here. So take this nut off and remove the two washers. Now on the back side, you've got a bolt right there. You want to take that out. Now get your new debris tray, put your bolt in right there first, hold it there, and put your two washers on, and then your nut. And then all you got to do is put it back inside the machine, line it up, and screw your knob back down. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.